Hello friends, the breaking news of this hour is that today at 10 a.m. Times of India and in many newspaper outlets it is published that MCI, the body which was regulating the medical faculties and medical colleges of India, post undergraduate and postgraduate has been dissolved and National Medical Commission comes into existence. The reporter has been written by Ayushman Kumar and is updated on September 25, that is today 2020 at 10 a.m. IST. It says that in pursuance of the provision of subsection 1 of section 60 of National Medical Commission Act 2019, the Indian Medical Council Act 1956 is thereby replaced with effect from September 20. The National Medical Commission Bill was passed by both houses of parliament last year after facing stiff resistance from doctor. So last year when this bill was passed from both houses, there was so many resistance of doctor that it is against doctor, but it was passed and now it is come into existence. Dr. Suresh Chandra Sharma, retired HOD, Head of Department ENT, AIMS New Delhi, has been appointed as the chairman of NMC for a period of 3 years. Apart from the chairman, the NMC will consist of 10 ex officio members and 22 part-time members appointed by central government. Now let's see this. The National Medical Commission NMC will fully come into being from today, Friday, as the center dissolved the 6-decade-old Indian Medical Council Act 1956, a gazette notification said. मतलब जो 60 साल पुराना इंडियन मेडिकल काउंसिल का एक्ट था उसको आज पूरी तरह से डिसॉल्व कर दिया गया. इन परसुएंस ऑफ प्रोविजन सब सेक्शन 1 of section 60 of National Medical Commission Act 2019, the Indian Medical Council Act 1956 is hereby replaced with effect from the 25th of September 2020. The Board of Governors appointed under section 3A of Indian Medical Council Act 1956 is suppression of Medical Council of Indian constitute under subsection 1 of section 3 of Indian Act shall stand dissolved. मतलब ये सब उसके एक्ट के बारे में बता रहा है. जो इंडियन मेडिकल काउंसिल का एक्ट था वो सब अब डिसॉल्व हो गया. ये हेल्थ मिनिस्टर और हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर मिनिस्टर का नोटिफिकेशन में बताया गया है. द नेशनल मेडिकल कमीशन बिल वॉज पास्ड बोथ हाउस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट लास्ट ईयर आफ्टर. ठीक है. द सेंटर हैज़ फॉर्म्ड 4 ऑटोनोमस बोर्ड अंडर द NMC एक्ट. द अंडर ग्रेजुएट मेडिकल एजुकेशन बोर्ड जो कि नीट UG के बच्चों के लिए है. द पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट मेडिकल एजुकेशन बोर्ड जो कि नीट PG का है. द मेडिकल असेसमेंट एंड रेटिंग बोर्ड एंड द एथिक्स एंड मेडिकल रजिस्ट्रेशन बोर्ड. डॉक्टर सुरेश चंद्र शर्मा, रिटायर्ड HOD ENT, विल बी एज द चेयरमैन. ये हो गया. अपार्ट फ्रॉम चेयरमैन 10 ex officio. ठीक है. देयर वेर मैनी कंप्लेंट्स ऑफ करप्शन इन मेडिकल काउंसिल. जो आप देखते थे मैनेजमेंट कोटा या फिर जो भी आप सुनते हैं कि कम नंबर में एडमिशन होता था. द मेंबर्स टू एंश्योर ट्रांसपेरेंसी द NMC members will have to declare their assets at the time of joining and while demitting the office also. The members will not be allowed to accept for a period of 2 years any employment in any capacity in a private medical institution whose matter has been dealt with them either directly or indirectly. The center has advocated NMC as progressive legislation aimed to reduce the burden on students in ensuring transparency in medical education by bringing down the cost. So, as they have told, 50% seats of each private colleges will reduce fees. By how much exactly it's not clear, but they are telling that it will be regulated by government. Union Health Minister Harshvardhan had termed NMC as a huge and visionary reform aimed to provide wider access to people for quality health care. So this is the news. Now let's see, very soon we will get all the notification about what's going to be changes after NMC has come into existence. Thank you. For more, please like and subscribe our channel.